Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the front heated seats and the rear heated seats, fuses and relays are located, where you can guys find them, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the front and rear heated seats, fuses and relays, where you can guys expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer right here. Now, what we guys need to do specifically for that, we need to look at two different fuse boxes. The first one is on the driver's side. It's hard to get to. You need to come to the footwell compartment on the driver's side, look behind the parking brake paddle, all the way up in the dash on the very left side. There is a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, pull the cover out. You'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, what we need to check here specifically, okay, one fuse will need to be checked in that fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check two more things. The first one, guys, it's known as fuse 34 right here. Then you need to go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood on the driver's side, next to the car battery, is the main engine fuse box. Press the two tabs, leave the cover open. You will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here we need to check fuse number 28 now, guys. Right here we are talking about that fuse 28, and some of you may have fuse 41, depending on which options you have, but those are the fuses, guys. What about the relays? There is very limited information about that, but mostly, guys, practically that function is most likely controlled by the BCM, the body control module, so practically you need to check the fuses only. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.